In your Excel spreadsheet, if you have rows of data with images in it, and if you try to apply filter, let's say on this Pokemon spreadsheet, I'm going to filter my hit point based on, say, for instance, 38. You can see that the rows of data has been filtered, but the images, well, it's not filtered at all. So to get around this, let me first undo by pressing Ctrl Z. Go to the very top and then select any of the images by right clicking on it. When this context menu appears, click anywhere on the spreadsheet and make sure that this is still selected like that. Once you have one image selected, press Ctrl A to select all the image on this spreadsheet. Once that's done, right click on any of the image and from this context menu, select Format Object. On the far right hand side, a Format Picture menu will appear. Select Size and Property, Expand Properties, and then you want to check on Move and Size with Cell like that. Once that's done, let's close this Format Picture menu and let's try applying the filter again on your hit point. And we're doing 38 just now. You can see the row of data and the picture has filter application now.